Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create online event registration, product survey and MCQ using Google Forms. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for Google Form. Here you can see 9 dots. You have to press on this. You'll find here your Google Apps. Now scroll down. Now you can see here Forms. You have to press on this. If you want to create event registration, you'll find here Event Registration. You have to press on this. Now you can see here your event registration. Here you can change your form's name. You can make it bold. In this option, you can set your description. You can type your description depending on your needs. Now here you can choose your questions. You can set your name, email address, organization, or you can change these options by customize it. If you want to choose multiple question, you just have to press on this multiple choice. For name, you have to select short answer. And you have to press on this record option. From here, you can change your question and you can change your options and add another option. Now, if you don't have this form in your form app, then you have to go to your form. You'll find here blank form. You have to press on this. Here you can customize your form. I'm creating here product survey. I'm pressing on this bold option. In this description option, you can add your description. Now you can see here, I have typed here, we value your feedback. Please take a few minutes to share your thoughts about our product. Your responses will help us improve. If you want to make it bold, you can do this. You can set here email. From here, you can add your multiple questions or MCQ question. My first question is, what's your name? Here I'm selecting short answer. And turn on this button. By pressing this, you can add another question. My another question is, how did you hear about our product? Here I'm choosing multiple choice. And here I want to add my options. So my first option is social media. Second option is online ad. Third option is friend or colleague. Fourth option is in-store. And fifth option is other. I'm selecting these 5 options. Now I'm selecting another question. Pressing on this plus icon. Here I'm typing, what improvements would you like to see in our product? You can make it bold. I'm here choosing paragraph and press on this record option. That's it. If you want to change the theme of your form, you have to go to this customize theme. Here you can see choose image. Press on this. Here you can see different type of options. You can choose one of them which you like. I'm selecting this and press on this insert. If you want to send this, then press on this send icon. Then give an email address of that person whom you want to send. Or you can press here. You can short your URL, copy it and press it to the person or group where you want to send it. That's it. So this is how you create online event registration, product survey and MCQ from using Google Forms. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.